Yo, what it is, guys? What's up? It's sometime later, and we got the FD2 brackets right here. I got off of work a little bit late, but I'm gonna try to put the bumper on before it gets too dark. So me and Skylar just got back from the gym, and I'll usually take the Lude to the gym, and look how close I parked to the Civic. Yo, I'm surprised I am not on the bumper. So since the last time I recorded, we found out that the FD2 bumper doesn't fit on the FD1 front end. And man, I felt super like disappointed and down, yo. I was like, did I just waste all that money on an FD1 front end when the FD2 bumper can't even fit on it? But then I realized that, yo, maybe I just need the FD2 brackets so that the bumper will fit onto the FD1 front end. And so that's what we got right here. We got the FD2 brackets. We ordered this on eBay, and it only took like maybe 2 or 3 days to get here. Pop this sucker open. Woo! Love getting parts with OEM part numbers from Honda. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is gonna make the front bumper fit on, because the FD1 brackets are black and these are white. Makes sense, right? If it ain't white, it ain't right. Yo, I'm so glad this bumper doesn't have fog lights, because the Lude has fog lights, and it just makes taking the front bumper off a little bit harder than it should be. Hey, okay, so if you can really see it, see how this is the FD1, this is the FD2. The FD1 is a little bit longer. Well, look at this. These don't line up, these holes. So I guess I can't use these brackets. What the heck? Dang, this is crazy, man. I'm probably just gonna have to cut into these. Man, this is crazy. I brought the bumper out and everything. The Civic's ready to get the bumper on, but it ain't gonna fit. So the original plan was to get the FD1 front end and then slowly convert it to an authentic Civic Type R. Meaning I'd get the Type R headlights, the Type R bumper, and you know, just slowly just swap the pieces. But in this case, we can't put the bumper on the FD1 front end, so my plan didn't work out. Besides getting the FD1 front end, the other option was to get like a replica Type R kit, and I was like, man, I don't want no replica kit. Because at least with the FD1 front end, this is all OEM, it's all metal, and everything bolts up nice and perfectly. But yep, guys, that's the car life for you. You know, we live and we learn, we mess up a lot.
The next day.
Alright guys, I thought really long and hard about this, and I decided that I didn't come this far just to come this far and be stopped. I didn't wait all this time to get this bumper just to find out that I can't put it on my FD1 front end. I decided I'm not gonna spend $1,000 and wait another 2 months for some FD2 fenders just so I could put my FD2 front bumper on. So with that being said, I decided we're gonna be drilling some holes into the fenders so we can make the Type R bumper fit on this FD1 front end. Yeah, I thought about it all night last night, and this morning I did research, and currently there are no companies that have FD2 fenders in America. There are only 2 companies that I know of that could get the FD2 fenders, and they're both telling me that the wait time is going to be at least 2, maybe 3 months, right? And the fenders that are available, they're all coming from China. So that's guaranteed at least 2 months just for those fenders. And that's the thing, I don't want to wait another 2 months just so I can put on my bumper, man. If the only reason why I can't put on my bumper is because the brackets don't fit, I'm gonna drill some holes into the fender so that the bracket could fit and so that we could put the bumper on the Civic today. So today, we're gonna make it happen, yo. Okay, so here we got the FD2 bracket, and it looks like this first notch, whatever, it goes right in here, and everything lines up in the front, right? But this back one looks like it's just a little short. Like it needs I need to cut right here, and I need to cut a hole for this screw hole somewhere up here, because this one is too far back. So I just need to drill 2 holes, one right here and the one up there, and I think everything will fit. Is this extra or what? Yo, I just got this mask from Harbor Freight and it feels really weird. Pretty legit though. Let's put some Dremel work in. That was pretty easy. These are some clean cuts. All I gotta do is just bend this back and I think we'll be good. The fitment is questionable, but yo, it is in place. It's nice and sturdy. It feels like everything is good. Woo! Yo, it works. It just kind of took some messing up to do, but it's on there. It's nice and good. It's tight. Shoot, what more can you ask for? As long as it's secure, right? So aside from cutting this block out, right, this little square, notice how there's an indentation right here, this little circle piece. Well, you also need clearance like right here, because if you see, these brackets have like a circular piece. I really had to press it back here to get it to kind of hook into place. I just held it down and made it clip and just screwed it in, and everything's good on the passenger side. Alright, yo, I pulled off both fenders. I wanted to hit them with the primer because when I cut into it, you know, I got some exposed metal, and so I want to prevent any rust from happening. So this is just to be safe. So I've already cleaned it with soap and water, and we're just gonna hit the parts that I cut into. I wanted to get the inside and outside. Let it air dry. I'll probably do another coat, and then we'll put the fenders on and put on the front bumper. Woo! Yo, what's up? It's the next day. I took way too long to put everything back together last night, and by the time I was finished, it got really dark, and so I wanted to wait till this morning to put on the bumper and share this moment with you guys. Woo! But right now, everything's back together, and the last piece we need is the bumper. Woo! Everything should bolt right up perfectly. Oh shoot. You hear that? All that clipping? Oh. There we go. Yo. It fits. It fits on. This bumper makes a huge difference. I mean, there's some parts that is a little off, but you know, I had to retrofit those brackets on, but man, this looks good. Y'all ready to see it? Alright. Okay. Damn, this got some big air vents. It's missing a few pieces. We're missing the center grill, the two side grill pieces. I could reuse the FD1 grill, but I'm gonna have to do some not cutting. I think I could just use some zip ties and it should hold it in place. But yo, this bumper, the fitment is looking good. It's clean, yo. The only issues is like right here. See how it's kind of poking out a little bit, but that's probably because I didn't really push the bracket all the way in, but everything clips up. It's good. But yo, the Civic is three-toning just like the Lude. Jeez, look at the side shot though. Dang. You can see all three colors on one side. On the Prelude, you can only see two different colors on one side at a time. Let's put that grill piece on. It'll probably look a lot better. I mean, this already looks good, but if it could look better, shoot, let's make it happen. Yo, this thing looks super ghetto, but you really can't tell unless you're really looking at it and you know that it's there. Look at that zip tie work though. Woo! Dang. You know what they say though. It ain't a Honda without some zip ties. Yo, I got a hard time deciding what I want to do. Check this out. Do you think it looks better with the license plate or without the license plate? I just I don't know how I feel about those two big holes or opening right there. I think that the license plate kind of takes away from those big open vents on the bottom or grills. I'm thinking about going to the parts store and just getting like a license plate frame so I could mount it onto the bumper, because these holes do not line up at all. But yeah, yo, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. License plate or no license plate? Yo, you can't tell me that this front bumper doesn't make a big difference. I think it's a game changer. I see a lot of these conversions online, but I haven't seen any top bar conversions in person myself, so I'm really happy with this. It's definitely an eyesore that there's 3 different colors. I really want to fix that, but I also really want to get these missing pieces before I do like anything else. But yo, we're gonna head over to Home Depot. And I saw Sonny do this. Sonny from Eliminate. He got one of those swimming pool noodles, and he put it behind the bumper to help prevent bumper sag. And you guys saw that I couldn't use the styrofoam bumper thing from the FD1 conversion. So I'm gonna go get a swimming noodle and put it behind this bumper. That way it'll be supported more better and prevent future bumper sag, if any. Oh, and I'm also gonna look for like a little universal license plate holder, because I'm really thinking that I need to put something right here. I don't like those 2 holes just out there like some big nostrils. So we'll see what I can find. Yeah. Whoops, fail. There we go. Not sure what that was about, but that happens sometimes. Well, anyways, I just came out from Lowe's. I was just thinking to myself too, yo, like, it looks kind of weird with me just walking around with a noodle at Lowe's. It would have made more sense if I went to like Walmart, but hey man, I got what I needed and we good. We Gucci. I also went to AutoZone and yo, check this out. Okay, I got this universal plate. Woo. But I was surprised to find this. I didn't even know I wanted this, yo. This is a shift boot, black leather with the red stitching. This thing is ready to go. Look at it. Oh man, it's falling apart. So shoot. I've always seen this like on the JDM sites and they go for like 70, 80 bucks. So hopefully I can make this work. And if it does, yo, 10 bucks. I'll let you guys know. Type R bumper is off. We got the noodle laying over here just chilling. I just gotta cut off this much. I guess I just gotta eyeball this. Oh, the label's in the way. Ah, okay. No problem for this razor blade. There we go. Yee, okay. Alright, let's see what this fitment's like though. Woo. Yo, that actually went on a lot easier than before. So the headlight was actually like overlapping the bumper when I first put the bumper on, but now with the support of that noodle, it's like right there, right behind the bumper or on the edge. So it looks like the fitment is even better. Or I got room to kind of move this headlight a little forward or try to push it back a little bit. But yo, it does feel like it has more support. Yee. Yo, y'all see this little bumper cover though? This thing is nice. Like, I can slide on it. Yeah, it's real slippery though. Oh, but it's comfortable. It's better than just being on the cement, I'll tell you that. Yo, let's get this license plate on though. There we go. Dang, look at that. This looks more complete with the license plate. Like, it definitely takes away from the missing grill pieces on the bottom. I think it looks legit. If you do it right, it looks good, man. Yee. Okay. But yo, guys, I got one more thing I want to do before I finally end this video. I just remembered that I have some vinyl wrap And in a past video, I did say that I wanted to black this out. So let's go and do that today, man. So this is all the vinyl wrap I have, and it is not long enough to cover the grill. I'm thinking that I could probably cut this in half long ways, and I should have enough to cover the whole grill. It's just that you'll see like a little line right here, somewhere around there. I don't think it'll be a big deal because I mean, this is temporary. Plus with vinyl wrap, you could just peel it off. So yeah. Yo, what do y'all think? Sheesh. I think the Civic looks a lot better, not only with this Type R bumper, but you know, with the little small details we added with the grill, the black wrap, and then we put the license plate on there. Yo, we've changed this Civic a lot in one video. But shoot, guys, do me a favor. If you think the Civic looks a lot better, give me a big fat thumbs up, click that like button. But I'm finally gonna end this video here, guys. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. See you on the next one. Yeah.